Hi, my name is Grant Kramer, and I am a professor emeritus at the University of Nevada, Reno. In this video, I provide the answers to the previous quiz for my plant physiology class.
1. The receptor for salicylic acid that activates gene expression is E, none of the above. The receptor is actually MPR1. 2. EDS5 transports SA across and the correct answer is C, plastid membrane. 3. Salicylic acid can affect, and the correct answer is D, all of the above. A, plant growth. B, pathogen resistance. C, plant-to-plant communication. 4. SA induces SAR, and SAR facilitates pathogen resistance and the correct answer is C, long-term defense. 5. Salicylic acid has an blank biosynthetic pathways, and the correct answer is C, multiple